It's Christmas time all over the world, and Christmas here at home. The church bells chime.
Wesley, what are you doing? You're not recording the assembly, are you? Wesley, you can't do assembly without me. Oh my. Okay, we'll do the assembly. We'll do it now. Just give me a second.
In most of the world, and children's eyes are wide.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Monday's assembly. Wesley, our school elf, decided that he was going to go ahead and do assembly without me. Wesley, can't do that. We do this together. I know, you're really excited. Christmas has come to Newlands. Yes, I know. We're all excited. But we need to remember, we still have some challenges to do. So are you going to help us out with the challenges, Wesley? Great. Now, we can begin. Welcome to Monday's assembly. What a fantastic time it is. We're starting to have Christmas at Newlands. Decorations are going up into the classrooms, and I know you have been doing lots of preparing for that. We can see we have our decorations up, and we're really excited about the next few weeks. But we've been preparing for this, haven't we, Wesley? Have you been listening to all the children and watching them as they've been learning the song, We Wish You a Merry Christmas, in British Sign Language? Fantastic. Well, we still do have one more part of the song to learn.
In places near and far, and so my friend.
Are you ready to learn it with us? Fantastic. Are we ready? Okay, let's learn the last part of our song.
Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas, everybody.
So the third verse, we won't go until we get some. So bring it right here. So we won't go, the gestures in the head. We won't, and the sign for go, go. Variations of that sign, but for this song, it's go until we get some. So we won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us something important. Oh, bring us something important. Oh, bring us something important and bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We all have nothing important. We all have nothing important. We all have nothing important with all its good cheer. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Wow. Now, it's time to practice all the song together so that we can record it to make our very own special Christmas video of We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Are you ready to do that? Okay, keep practicing and we'll be ready for our videos. Hope you have a good week and we'll see you on Friday. Bye. Bye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us something important. Oh, bring us something important. Oh, bring us something important and bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We all are nothing important. We all are nothing important. We all are nothing important. With all its good cheer. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Christmas time all over the world, in places near and far.